Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to reintroduce to you guys the more glam looks because I don't do a lot of glam looks anymore on my channel. So because it was requested, I went on ahead and got that done for you guys. So here I am using the Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade C11 and I am applying that on my lid. This is going to prepare my eyes for the eyeshadow that I'll be using, which is the Fenty Beauty Moroccan Spice palette, and I'm taking the shade Saffron and I'm applying that on my outer lid. So if you are new here and you like what you're seeing so far, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and like this video. So next I'm taking the shade Come and Get It and I'm applying that above the crease just to blend the two colors seamlessly together and really have that really like gradient effect from color to color. So yes, go ahead and like this video. So next, going in with that same concealer, I am applying that and using that to cut the crease today. So the two shades that I want to go in with on my eyelid will be Mirage as well as Sahara Stunner, and those two shades are like in the pink family, so we're gonna have a lot of different pink vibes going on the eyes today. So next, just taking those colors that I mentioned and I am applying the first shade, which would be Mirage. And then next, taking the Sahara Stunner and applying that on the outer perimeter. Then I go back into the saffron color and I'm applying that and just blending those two colors together so that there's a seamless blend between the two. I also take saffron and apply it on my lower lash line as well. So taking the Fenty Beauty Fly Liner, I'm applying that as well. And I'm gonna make this wing really nice and sharp. I can't believe how much of a pro like I could be with the wing eyeliner sometimes. I love results. So next, taking the Urban Decay 24-hour eyeliner and applying that to my waterline as well as the upper waterline. That is very important when you apply lashes because it's going to blend those lashes in with your real lashes. So taking the shade Moroccan Ice, I'm applying that to my brow bone as well as my tear duct. And next, going into the Glitz Glam eyeshadow palette, I am going to take that pink glittery shade and apply that in between the blend we created earlier with the darker shade and the lighter shade. And here I'm just wiping my lips preparing for the lip combo that I'll be using today, which is the MAC Retro Matte Lip in High Drama and Milani Amore Matte Lip Cream in the shade Amore, or also the number 15. So I mix these two shades together and I get this really nice combo. Like, I really like the way it looks. I've done this before as well. And here I take the Black Radiance True Complexion and use the highlight, and then next after that I go into my Tarte blush, the name Party, and apply that. And this is the end of my tutorial. I would love to thank you guys for watching. Be sure to come back. I mean, if you subscribe, you'll automatically be here, you know. But if you don't want to subscribe, just come back. Like, just come back. You're welcome. You're always welcome. So other than that, like I said, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you will. I am Modestly Queen, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Peace.